The prices of Tesla electric vehicles are about to enter a new era, all thanks to the revolutionary promise of solid-state batteries. Imagine being able to buy a Tesla Model Y at more affordable prices, something that seemed like a distant dream for many electric car enthusiasts. This new technology not only reduces production costs, but also redefines the total cost of ownership equation. After all, a more efficient and durable battery directly impacts the final price of the vehicle and the expenses over the years. The secret behind this reduction lies in the composition and manufacturing process of solid-state batteries. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, they eliminate expensive materials like cobalt and optimize the use of more affordable and abundant elements. This means Tesla can save billions in production costs and, of course, pass those savings on to consumers. For those who always thought owning a Tesla was a privilege for a select few, this barrier is being shattered in an impressive way. In addition to making vehicles more accessible, there's a strategy behind this change that benefits Tesla itself. With lower prices, the company can reach markets that were previously dominated by combustion vehicles or more basic electric options. It's like opening the doors to a public that wants modernity without sacrificing their budget. And the Model Y is the main candidate to lead this revolution, combining the popularity of an SUV with the appeal of a more competitive price. Range. That's the word at the top of the wish list for anyone dreaming of an electric car. And with solid-state batteries, Tesla promises to deliver something that seemed unattainable. More than 600 miles of range per charge on the Tesla Model Y. To put this into perspective, we're talking about a distance enough to cross several states without even thinking about recharging. This range not only challenges the limits of what we know about electric cars, but also redefines what's possible in terms of sustainable mobility. Now imagine this. You're planning a long road trip. Before, you need to make frequent stops to recharge, which often frustrated drivers accustomed to the convenience of combustion vehicles. With solid-state batteries, this problem practically disappears. The increased energy density means the Model Y will not only go farther, but also offer more flexibility in planning your journey, turning what could be a concern into a seamless experience. And what about fast charging? Well, this is where things get even more interesting. Forget spending hours waiting while the battery recharges. With this new technology, charging time can be reduced to just 10 to 15 minutes. That's almost the time it takes to grab a coffee and stretch your legs at a charging station. For those used to stopping at gas stations, the transition to an electric car has never been easier and more convenient. The efficiency of ultra-fast charging also changes the way people view electric vehicles in daily life. That's because it eliminates one of the main concerns of consumers, so-called range anxiety, or the fear of running out of battery in the middle of the journey. Knowing that the car can be charged quickly at any point of support gives drivers new confidence and expands the possibilities for long-distance trips. Another benefit that can't be ignored is time savings. In today's fast-paced world, time is a valuable resource, and having a car that charges almost as quickly as filling up a conventional vehicle is an undeniable advantage. This agility places the Tesla Model Y in a differentiated category, especially for those seeking practicality without sacrificing innovation. These advancements also have direct implications for charging infrastructure. Charging stations could become even more efficient, serving more vehicles in less time. This not only improves the experience for users, but also helps expand the acceptance of electric vehicles in regions where infrastructure is still limited. It's as if every piece of the puzzle is fitting together to accelerate the global transition to clean energy. And it's not just Tesla that benefits from this change. Other battery manufacturers and electric vehicle companies are closely watching this revolution, meaning the impact will be felt across the entire industry. Greater range, combined with ultra-fast charging, could redefine market standards and create a domino effect of innovation, forcing other companies to keep up. This combination of extended range and fast charging transforms the Tesla Model Y into an incredibly attractive option for consumers seeking a versatile and efficient vehicle. But there's even more to explore when it comes to the benefits of these batteries. Because in addition to going farther and charging faster, they also promise impressive durability, something that makes all the difference when choosing a car for the long haul. Durability is another area where solid-state batteries stand out. They promise a lifespan of 3,000 to 5,000 charge and discharge cycles. To put this into more understandable numbers, even if you charge your Tesla Model Y daily, these batteries could last between 8 and 13 years without significant performance loss. This is a considerable leap compared to current lithium-ion batteries, which start showing signs of wear after about 1,500 cycles. And you know what's even more impressive? Even after years of use, these batteries retain up to 90% of their original capacity. This means that while other electric cars might experience reduced range over time, the Model Y with solid-state batteries would continue to deliver exceptional performance, almost as if it were brand new. For the consumer, this represents significant long-term savings and renewed confidence in the vehicle's longevity. Another point worth highlighting is how this durability impacts the used car market. With batteries that age better, the resale value of electric vehicles tends to rise. After all, who wouldn't want to buy a car that still offers nearly full range even after years of use? This creates a new type of circular economy, where electric vehicles become more attractive investments for both new buyers and those looking for a used model. And it's not just the lifespan that impresses. The resilience of these batteries is also a key factor. They are more robust against external factors, such as extreme temperatures and frequent fast charging cycles. This is especially important for people living in regions with challenging weather conditions, as the vehicle's performance won't be compromised. Durability also directly impacts maintenance costs. With batteries requiring fewer replacements and repairs, Tesla Model Y owners can save thousands of dollars over the vehicle's lifetime. This doesn't even take into account the time saved by not needing to schedule frequent visits to the workshop or deal with the inconvenience of replacing worn-out components. This combination of resilience and long lifespan also brings a less obvious, but equally important benefit: sustainability. Longer-lasting batteries mean less waste and reduced demand for rare materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. It's a win not only for the consumer, but also for the environment, as battery production is one of the biggest challenges in the industry in terms of ecological impact. Furthermore, this longevity opens the door to secondary applications. Imagine a future where, after years of use in a vehicle, these batteries could still be repurposed for energy storage in homes or power grids. This further extends their usefulness and helps create a virtuous cycle of reuse, something Tesla has already begun to explore in its renewable energy projects. All of this reinforces the idea that Tesla isn't just creating a car, but also reinventing the consumer experience with sustainable, high-performance technology. And this ongoing innovation is what keeps the company at the forefront of the industry, inspiring others to rethink what's possible in terms of design, efficiency, and durability. But the real magic of these solid-state batteries goes beyond durability. It extends to an issue that directly affects all drivers: safety. When it comes to safety, solid-state batteries bring a true revolution. By replacing flammable liquid electrolytes with solid materials, these systems virtually eliminate the risk of spontaneous fires, which remains a concern with traditional lithium-ion batteries. It's an extra layer of protection that not only reassures drivers, but also raises the industry's safety standards as a whole. Imagine driving a Tesla Model Y equipped with a battery that is inherently more stable, even in extreme conditions. Accidents involving batteries are rare, but when they happen, they can be devastating. With solid electrolytes, the risk of thermal runaway, one of the main causes of fires in batteries, is significantly reduced. This innovation could change the public's perception of the safety of electric vehicles, increasing their acceptance in markets that are still hesitant to adopt this technology. And there's more. Solid-state batteries are also less susceptible to failures caused by physical impacts. This means that in the event of a collision, the likelihood of catastrophic battery damage is considerably lower. For those who value the integrity of a vehicle that transports their family daily, this is an invaluable advantage. Tesla, as a pioneer in automotive safety, is clearly using this technology to reinforce its reputation in this area. Another interesting aspect is that these batteries can operate more efficiently in extreme temperatures, which can be crucial for drivers who live in very cold or hot climates. Whether in the heat of the desert or the freezing temperatures of a harsh winter, the performance and safety of solid-state batteries remain consistent, ensuring a worry-free driving experience. Moreover, this thermal stability also impacts energy efficiency. Without the need for complex cooling or heating systems to keep the battery in optimal conditions, engineers can optimize the vehicle's design to be even lighter and more aerodynamic. This, of course, directly affects range and energy consumption, creating an even more efficient model. The safety benefits don't stop there. Solid-state batteries are also less likely to suffer from electrical overload, a problem that, while rare, can lead to serious failures. This tolerance to varying charge levels gives drivers added peace of mind, especially in situations where rapid charging is needed. This shift to safer batteries also paves the way for regulators and governments to further encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. With the reduction in associated risks, we are likely to see fewer restrictions in areas such as public transport or urban charging infrastructure, expanding the reach of this technology to new segments. Additionally, the enhanced safety of solid-state batteries could influence the perceived value of the vehicles. Consumers are increasingly paying attention to details beyond performance, and safety is a significant factor in purchasing decisions. By leading this change, Tesla not only strengthens its market position, but also sets new standards for the entire industry. Ultimately, these batteries are not only safer, they are a true milestone in the technological advancement of electric vehicles. And as if that weren't enough, there is still so much more to explore about how this innovation transforms the overall performance of the Tesla Model Y and redefines what we expect from a modern electric car. With the introduction of solid-state batteries, the Tesla Model Y is set to redefine what efficiency and performance mean in electric vehicles. This technology takes the model to a new level, with improvements that go far beyond range and fast charging. It is a complete transformation that makes the car not only more functional, but also a benchmark in technological innovation. To begin with, the increased energy density of solid-state batteries allows the Model Y to make much more efficient use of every watt of energy. This not only extends the range, but also enables the vehicle to achieve more consistent performance, even in demanding conditions. Whether accelerating on the highway or tackling steep climbs, the motor responds nimbly and reliably, maximizing the driving experience. The impact on the car's design cannot be overlooked. With smaller and lighter batteries, engineers have more freedom to adjust the center of gravity of the Model Y. This results in even more precise and stable handling, especially in turns or during sudden braking. Vehicle control becomes intuitive, almost like an extension of the driver themselves, which is a major differentiator for those who appreciate the feeling of being in command. Another interesting point is how this new technology helps reduce noise and vibration. Solid-state batteries, due to their more compact and stable structure, help minimize internal fluctuations within the energy system. The result is a quieter and more comfortable ride, even at high speeds. This characteristic makes the Model Y not just a high-performance car, but also an ideal choice for those who value comfort and sophistication. And the innovations don't stop there. Solid-state batteries also offer more instant power, meaning the Model Y can deliver faster accelerations when needed. Imagine going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less time, with an immediate response to the accelerator. This level of performance not only places the Model Y ahead of the competition, but also reinforces the idea that electric cars can be as exciting as their combustion engine counterparts. Furthermore, the introduction of this technology allows Tesla to implement new software features that maximize the energy efficiency of the batteries. Imagine over-the-air updates that optimize the car's performance in real time, adjusting parameters such as energy consumption or charge recovery during braking. This seamless integration of hardware and software is one of Tesla's greatest advantages, and solid-state batteries take this to the next level. The ability for ultra-fast charging also directly impacts the usability of the Model Y in everyday scenarios. With charging times reduced to 10 to 15 minutes, stops at charging stations become as convenient as refueling a gasoline car. This convenience transforms how drivers plan their trips, eliminating the anxiety of running out of battery at critical moments. Another unexpected benefit of this technology is the enhanced resistance to wear and tear caused by daily use. Even after years of operation, the Model Y maintains consistent performance, with no noticeable drops in energy storage capacity. This is crucial for consumers who view the car as a long-term investment, as it ensures superior cost-effectiveness compared to other options on the market. Combining efficiency, power, and comfort, the Tesla Model Y equipped with solid-state batteries establishes itself as a milestone in the history of electric vehicles. But the real revolution lies in the impact these changes will have not only on the car's performance, but also on operational costs and accessibility for consumers. And this is exactly what we will see in the next chapter of this story. The impressive durability of solid-state batteries also has a significant impact on the operational costs of the Tesla Model Y, offering a lifespan of 3,000 to 5,000 charge and discharge cycles. These batteries practically eliminate the need for frequent replacements. For the average driver, this represents years of consistent use without the worry of having to replace one of the vehicle's most expensive components. In addition to reducing costs, this longevity contributes to a lower environmental impact, aligning perfectly with Tesla's sustainability goals. Another factor positively influencing operational costs is the energy efficiency of these batteries. With much higher energy density, they can store more energy per unit of weight, meaning the Model Y can travel further with the same amount of charge. This translates into fewer stops to recharge and, consequently, lower electricity costs. For consumers who use their vehicles daily or for long trips, this accumulated savings over time makes all the difference. We must also consider the direct impact on maintenance costs. Because they are more resistant to wear, solid-state batteries reduce the need for repairs or replacements of components related to the energy storage system. This includes everything from the battery pack itself to auxiliary systems that help maintain thermal stability and functionality. With fewer visits to the shop, the Model Y owner saves time and money while enjoying a vehicle that's always ready to go. The reliability offered by these batteries also eliminates a common issue in electric vehicles: capacity degradation over the years. Solid-state batteries are designed to retain up to 90% of their original capacity even after years of use, ensuring the Model Y continues to deliver exceptional performance. This is especially relevant for those who intend to use the car as a long-term investment or even resell it in the future, as the resale value tends to be higher. This extended durability also opens doors to new possibilities in the electric vehicle market. For instance, consumers may consider solid-state battery models for commercial applications, such as taxi fleets or delivery vehicles, where the rapid wear of traditional batteries is often a barrier. By adopting this technology, companies can significantly reduce their operational costs and increase the efficiency of their operations. Additionally, the thermal stability of solid-state batteries reduces the need for complex cooling systems. This not only lowers production costs, but also simplifies maintenance throughout the vehicle's lifespan. The simpler, more robust design allows the Model Y to handle a variety of climate conditions without compromising its performance, a key advantage for drivers who live in regions with extreme temperatures. Tesla also directly benefits from these operational savings. With the ability to offer more affordable vehicles and lower maintenance costs, the company can attract an even larger audience, including those who previously hesitated to adopt electric vehicles due to cost concerns. This increased accessibility reinforces Tesla's mission to accelerate the global transition to sustainable energy, while also solidifying its leadership position in the market. Finally, the combination of efficiency, durability, and cost savings creates a scenario where the Tesla Model Y equipped with solid-state batteries is not only an innovative vehicle, but also an economical and smart choice for consumers. These advantages place Tesla in a unique position to redefine the standards of the automotive industry while delivering real value to its customers. However, the implications of this technology go beyond cost savings. And in the next section, we will explore how enhanced safety could further revolutionize the market.